Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are up in Walgreens because we're about to do an all digital online pickup order, and I'm gonna do this deal a little bit differently today. So you guys have been telling me over and over again, because in my past 2 online pickup videos, I've had a couple items get canceled and it just throws off the whole situation. So in today's video, I'm going to take y'all's advice and I am actually going to shop the store, pick up my items, and then take them over to the photo counter and tell them that I have an online order and I've already picked everything up. So with this way, I can make sure that everything is in stock. We should have no cancellations and everything should go much more smoothly. So I'm starting off with Revlon products because we have a number of new Ibotta rebates for Revlon, which is going to make my deal so good. So the Revlon is buy one, get one 50% off. It's actually buy one, get one 50% off online as well. The first thing I'm gonna grab is one of these Big Bad Lash mascaras. These are $9.49. I have a $5 digital coupon and we have a $3 rebate on Ibotta. The second thing I'm grabbing is 2 of these eyeshadow quads. So these are actually just $5.19 online. Buy one, get one 50% off. But in store, they're $8.29. So you have a massive savings by purchasing them online. And we have a $3 digital coupon and $3 cashback rebates on Ibotta. The last Revlon item I'm going to grab is one of these Revlon Satin Ink lip colors. So these are actually $9.49 online. They're $10.99 in store. We have a $5 digital coupon and a $2 cashback rebate on Ibotta. Next deal up is a potential moneymaker. I'm going to test this because it's not tagged in my store like the other toothpaste, but these crests that are $2.49 are right here, these babies right here, they are supposed to be producing the $5 register reward when you buy 3. I still have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon on my account, so I'm actually going to buy 4. You may have a 5 off of 3 digital or some other digitals, but I'm going to buy 4 of them. That's going to total me up to $9.96. Then I am going to use my $6 off of 4 digital. That'll bring me down to $4 for 4 of them, and then I should get back 5, making them free plus a $1 moneymaker. Fingers crossed that works out. So the next thing I'm gonna grab, I got this deal from Couponing Craze on Instagram. So we have an older digital for the Chic Hydro. It is not available for new downloads, and if you add this item, you may not see it in your cart until you actually go to the checkout screen. So the Chic Hydro touch-ups, these babies right here that are $7.99 in store, online they're actually $5.99. and buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them will cost you $8.98. That $8 digital is attaching, making these babies only 49 cents each. And here is a close-up of what they look like, just in case you're curious, but these are going to be 49 cents a piece with our online price. The next deal I'm going to do, I am super excited about this week. So we got a promotion going where you buy 3 of select Swiffer, Febreze, Dawn, Cascade, all of that, $4.99 a piece, and then when you buy 3, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So I'm going to start off by picking up 2 of these Febreze plugs. I have a $5 off of 2 digital coupon. That is an older digital as well, so I'm not sure if it's available for new downloads, but hopefully you have that. And I am so glad that I brought my butt up in here because the last item that I was going to do for this deal was the Dawn dish spray, but I actually just met one of you guys, hey girl, hey, a subscriber, and you guys had already picked up all the Dawn dish soap, and so I would have had that in my order and that would have been canceled out. So I'm going to grab one of these big Dawn babies instead for $4.99. We don't have any digitals for this. So for this deal on the brownie brittle, we don't have any manufacturer coupons, but we have some really good Ibotta rebates. So these are on sale 2 for $4, and we have $1 rebates on Ibotta and $1 in cash back on Fetch Rewards. So I'm going to buy 2 of them for $4. I'm going to get back 3 from both of the rebate apps, making 2 of them only 50 cents each. So before I go on to the next thing, I want to stop and show you guys this beautiful gift that I got from Rose Forever NY. Let me show you this and we'll be right back. So I want to give a special thank you to Rose Forever New York for being so kind and generous and sending me this bouquet of ivory roses in this gorgeous black velvet box. Rose Forever New York is a luxury rose brand. They sell these long-lasting bouquets that you can keep for a year's time. They sell them in these round boxes like the ones that I have, or you can also get them in square boxes in all different colors. So they have the reds, the pinks, the blues. OMG, when I got these roses, I was not only taken aback by how beautiful they are, but they smell absolutely divine. And they use these natural oils that preserve them, that keep them looking like this for 1 year, which is amazing. They have also been kind enough to give me a coupon code to share with you guys. So if you use my code coupon with star 15, that will also take $15 off of your purchase. If you would like to treat yourself and get yourself some, or buy some as a gift to someone else, anyone would love to receive these. Thank you once again to Rose Forever. These roses just made my week. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Walgreens pickup order for tonight. I'm about to go over to the photo counter, place this order, and let them know that I've already pulled everything so they can go on ahead and check me out. Let's see how this all works. All right, you guys, so this worked out so good. So this right here is about $61 and some change worth of product. Now, the reason I bought $61 worth of product is because I was using the point booster where if you spend $40, you will get back $10 in Walgreens cash. And in order to get back that $10 in Walgreens cash, you need to spend at least $40 in actual cash or manufacturer coupons. So I picked up $61 in products. I had about $31 in manufacturer coupons, and I spent about $9 and some change in cash. So I qualified with this order to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So here's a close-up of my receipt so you can see how everything worked out. The pickup was successful. There is the crest, the brownie brittle. There is one of our Revlon items, another Revlon item. There's the Febreze, more Revlon. There is the Chic items, Revlon, and then the Big Daddy Dawn that we got. So here is all of our manufacturer coupons that we use. So we had a lot of manufacturer coupons, over $30 worth. There's the Chic, Revlon, $6 for the Crest, more Revlon coupons, and then the $5 for the Febreze. That brought my subtotal down to $29.68. I had $4 in taxes, so I ended up paying that $9.68 plus tax after redeeming $20 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $9.68 plus tax after redeeming that $20 in Walgreens cash. So our subtotal was $29.66 before we used that Walgreens cash. As far as what we got back, I got back the $5 register reward for the scope. So that did work on those $2.49 toothpaste, praise the Lord. And I also got back 15,000 points in Walgreens cash. I got $10 back for completing that spend 40 deal, and I got back 5,000 points for the two Febreze items and the Dawn. So I already got back the $20 in points that I spent because I got back the 15,000 points and the $5 register reward. And that register reward is a store coupon, by the way, so it will function like a store coupon versus a manufacturer coupon. But then it gets better because I submitted back to Ibotta and I got back $13 in cash back from Ibotta. And funny story is while I was in the store, the Ibotta rebate for this big bad lash actually disappeared while I was in the store. But thankfully, the $3 rebate for the Revlon Eye actually attached to this. So I still got the $3 for that, even though it's not supposed to. I think it excludes this one. But that did attach. So I got back $13 from Ibotta for the Revlon products and the Brownie Brittle. And I also got back $1 from Fetch Rewards for a total of $14 in cash back. So that $14 in cash back actually completely covers everything that I spent in cash. And if we're going based off of the subtotal, this was actually a $4 moneymaker. But I'm going to call it absolutely free because it covered everything that I actually spent in cash and gave me all of my money back. So these were all free items. Now, what I'm about to do is I'm about to go and use this $5 to get me some toilet paper because I no longer want to leave the store with the register rewards because I have not been doing good as far as using them before they expire. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have been crying about that lately. So I'm going to go ahead and spend that while I'm in store. And just to make sure it's super clear, I'm going to have up on the screen what my online order was. We used $20 in points. We got $20 in store money back, and we got back $14 from the rebate apps. And you can pick up whatever Revlon products match your coupons, but definitely take advantage of these Revlon rebates while we have them because that is a good situation. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Walgreens haul for today, all for that free $99. I am loving this all digital curbside pickup. So I just used that $5 register reward to pick up 2 packs of the Scott. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is everything that we got there. So I had a $1 digital for 1 pack of the Scott plus that $5 reward. That brought my subtotal down to $1.50, which I did not mind spending. So that's like 75 cents a pack since we had so much profit from those other items in that previous transaction. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Please check down below in the description box. I will have a full written breakdown for you of this transaction, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.